Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset and format Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop and PC. Now, regardless if you are using a PC and a laptop, this is how you're going to do it. And it's quite simple actually. What we're going to do is head over here, we're going to click the Windows icon, and we're going to go ahead and type here reset, and you're going to see reset this PC option. Go ahead and open this one. We're going to make this big for now. And there you go. So you have reset this PC. Go ahead and click this one right here. And you have two options: keep your files or remove everything. So let's say, for example, you want to keep your files. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. And yeah, from this point forward, what you're going to do is choose how you'd like to reinstall your Windows. You could do a cloud download or a local reinstall if you have Windows already installed in this PC of yours. Now, if you say, for example, choose cloud download, go ahead and click that one over there. And here is the current settings: download and reinstall Windows. And then go ahead and click the next button right here. And this is going to process. Now, from this point forward, all you have to do really is follow this prompt, and you should be able to reset your PC no problem. And that, everybody, is how you're going to reset and format Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop and PC.